exploring Hanover on this episode of Round the Bend. Follow back on me. Most Westmorelites would want to claim here, but according to the MAP, right here so, is Hanover. But then again, you know, they might have a point, because back in 1725, parts of St. James and parts of Westmoreland built Hanover. But for more of that, visit jis.gov.jm. We have so much more for you. Stay with us. We passed Rhodes Hall, where they said the Tainos lived. We came further around the bend to Half Moon. And now we're here at an old sugar estate that has a windmill that dates back to the 1600s. We came further around the bend, up the road to Egypt in Cousins Cove, where our friend Roun is going to take us on a tour of a Taino cave. Lead the way, Roun.
Okay.
Alrighty.
This is a cave that used by the Tainos and also the slaves. They use it for a place of worship and their hiding place. These markings that you see on the wall here, these are people that used to work inside here after slavery, taking out the bad guano. So people used to keep record of their work. This cave goes about a quarter mile that is easy to walk.
Did you find any artifacts from the Taino days?
We find some of their tools. We find a couple of bones and stuff like that. Inside here they take all the stuff that we have found in here. They take them to the museum in Lucid.
The museum was closed and the artifacts moved to the National Gallery West. But since we're here already, we just took a look around. Hanover is the second smallest parish behind Kingston. It is also the second rainiest parish on the island. You see the skies already? From its highest point, the Dolphin Head Mountain, coming down to the coast, where the 18th century beauty that is Fort Charlotte still stands. Hanover is a most alluring parish. It was once called St. Sophia, dainty name for a dainty parish. Hi, Mrs. Taylor.
Welcome.
Thank you for having us.
Yes.
You know why we're here.
The ruins.
Exactly.
Well, this is an 18th century building that was actually owned by some cane farmers.
Okay.
And his name was Mr. Blagrove. As a matter of fact, we actually name our training restaurant the Blagrove Restaurant. And what's interesting about this building, to the back there is even an area where they used to do baking.
Not too far from here is the Trial Great House that has 19th century artifacts. Oh boy. I can see why they give it the second rainiest parish on the island. Rain, rain, rain. Go away. Our tour of Hanover has come to an end. I hope to see you sometime soon round the bend.